How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. Tell everyone a little bit about yourself.
So my name is Cynthia Williams, born and raised in Pueblo, Colorado. I'm 40 years old.
Oh, shit.
I know.
Oh, shit.
I've got 6 kids.
How many?
6.
Holy smacks.
Yes, so I have 6 beautiful children.
I have 4 dogs. I thought that was crazy.
You know, dogs can be a lot at times.
They are a lot. So if you've got 6 kids,
Yes.
you've got to really manage time.
Yes.
And you've also got to plan your life better.